Let's be honest, if your mornings aren't as sharp as they once were, and we both know what that means, then this message is for you. You already drink coffee every morning. But what if a few simple additions to that cup could support better circulation, steadier energy, and those early hours that used to feel more dependable? Today, I'll show you how to turn your morning coffee into more than just a caffeine boost. It can become a daily practice that helps blood flow, supports hormones, and keeps your energy steady. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the real, medically backed answers that most men your age never hear. Welcome back to Health I Seek, the channel where we bring seniors the truth about natural healing, vitality, and aging strong. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always seek advice from your doctor before making any changes or decision regarding your health. These aren't magic powders, they're natural, affordable, and available in any grocery store. Coffee itself does improve alertness and circulation for a short time. But after 50, relying only on caffeine is like patching a pipe instead of repairing it. Hormones shift, vessels stiffen, and stress loads increase. We'll take the same routine you already have and tune it for long-lasting benefits. Think of your body as a high-performance engine. Premium fuel makes the difference. Here's how. First, cinnamon. Just a quarter teaspoon is enough. Look for Ceylon cinnamon if possible. It's better for daily use. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, which protects the small arteries that feed erectile tissue and keeps your energy curve smooth. Men often find they snack less and feel more balanced through the morning. Second, unsweetened cocoa powder. Not cocoa mix, but real dark cocoa. About a teaspoon stirred and adds flavonols that boost nitric oxide, the signal your blood vessels use to open up. It also brings magnesium, which helps muscle function and testosterone balance. The taste is like a sugar-free mocha, and if it feels too bitter, add stevia or monk fruit without spiking blood sugar. Third, maca root powder. Roughly a teaspoon. Maca is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress rather than forcing stimulation. It doesn't replace hormones, but it supports brain centers that regulate energy, mood, and desire. Men usually notice changes after 2 or 3 weeks. Better workouts, more steady drive, and a sharper mental edge. Fourth, coconut oil or MCT oil. Start with half a teaspoon, blend it in so it emulsifies and slowly increase if tolerated. These healthy fats give your body raw material for hormones and convert quickly into usable fuel. They also smooth the caffeine curve. Less crash, more focus. If you're sensitive, start small. Fifth, ginger. A slice of fresh root or a quarter teaspoon of powdered ginger adds warmth, supports circulation, and helps tame inflammation. Fresh ginger is more aromatic, powdered is more convenient. If you take blood thinners or have bleeding risks, check with your doctor before using daily. Now, you don't have to toss 5 things into your mug at once. Build it step by step. Week 1, cinnamon. Week 2, add cocoa. Week 3, try maca a few mornings. Week 4, test coconut oil or ginger. This gradual approach helps your body adjust and makes the habit stick. Keep a small jar of pre-mixed cinnamon and cocoa by your coffee maker. 1 spoon, stir, done. If you enjoy the creamy version, blend in coconut oil with a frother for a latte feel. For weekends, make a power blend. Coffee, cocoa, cinnamon, coconut oil, and a touch of ginger. 30 seconds in the blender and you'll think you bought it at a cafe. A few guardrails, start small, avoid sugary versions, and don't expect miracles overnight. Give each change a few weeks. Track your energy, focus, and mornings in a quick note on your phone. Patterns will show you what's working. Most men who stick with this for a month notice steadier mornings, fewer crashes, clearer thinking, stronger workouts, and yes, more reliable performance. No hype, just your body working closer to how it should. If you have medical conditions or take several prescriptions. Talk with your clinician before making daily changes. And if one ingredient doesn't sit well, scale back and try another. So tomorrow, when you brew your coffee, remember this. One small spoon can upgrade your whole day. Start with cinnamon, then layer in the rest. If you already add something to your coffee, share it below. If you try this plan, let us know what changes you notice. Your experience might help another man take the first step. For more straightforward men's health guidance, subscribe and share this with a friend who could use a simple win in the morning. Small changes add up, especially when they start with your very first sip.